Hi, this is Caleb, and I'm going to do a tutorial on, well, you know what. So basically, open Windows Movie Maker, uh, go to Import Media, or actually you can go on the side. I think this is late, this is a later version of it, of Windows Maker. Anyway, you go to your username, um, go under video. If this is where Actually, I'll just find where I'm trying to look for it, which happens to be under Documents, that, and this one. So it shouldn't take too long to upload, but this is a review I'm going to be posting before or after this one. I don't know. But just go through it with a fine-tooth comb, but if you want, or you could just do a rough style. But titles and credits. If you want a title at the beginning, you just go title at the beginning. Then you type in what it is. So, which in this case is the Nintendo 64 review. Alright, and a lot of people just keep this font and everything, but I never do that. Because I just don't like it. So change the text, font, and color. This is the background color, so I'll just make it black. I'll make this neon green, and I'll change the font to, let's see, what do I want? Mulbaran. Meanwhile, you can always check right here what the preview is. So, or if you want the title to, animation to be different, just do this, um, which does this, kind of flips the thing. But anyway, oh, it shows the video through the text, so yeah, you can tell what's going on through the text, even though I don't know why you would want that. Um, this one does just what it says. It flies through the each other. Anyway, I'm going to add that, and this is where you can change the size in seconds. Um, that you can dissect the whole thing through seconds if you want. You just click this. I usually keep it at fairly, I split it up through 5 seconds. I want it around 5 seconds, so this is what it's going to look like. You can just press play, and then it just goes right into the review. Um, let's see. All you have to do to split things is, or if you want to edit out some parts of your video, you just press split. You take that, and if it's like it is, which is just black, all you have to do is press this a few times and right click and remove. Um, let's see. Anyway, you can edit the end, which is usually what I end up doing. And you can make it fade out, which is always a good idea, or fade in. So I'm going to do both of those, and I'm going to show you what it does, even though I'm sure you already know what it does, which is fade in. Um, Probably another good way to trim the end is trim the end, but that gets rid of the whole thing. And if you want to undo something that you did, just end it, edit, undo. So that's all you have to do. You can mute the whole thing just to hear or just to see the video. Um, you can skip frame by frame by using these two. Um, it really doesn't come in handy, but if you want to, you could use it. uh, this version doesn't use it doesn't you can't have MP3 file formats. So I think all you have to do is go on the internet and find a codec for it and download it, and so that you can put it on there. But otherwise, it'll do this. I'll do that. iTunes, iTunes Music. Let's go to Metallica, Saint Anger, and see, it won't read the file as something because I guess because it's the MP3. But you just do that. You double click it, and it says it can't be imported. So yeah, I assume that all you have to do is that, but there might be something more. When I find out, I can probably do another tutorial. But in the meantime, that's, I think, what you have to do. If you want to put in effects, just right click effects, and then it has a whole list. It shows that I faded in and faded out, so it has a bunch of other good ones like um, watercolor. That's always fine, but changes that to a softer form, uh, softer video. But I don't want that, so you just press remove and you highlight it and do that. Anyway, hope this helped you. If it didn't, just message me on what you need help, and I can just message you back what you have to do.